Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna answer a popular question: does this JBL GO for support party mode? But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful videos. So the answer is yes, it does. You can connect several speakers through the app using the party mode feature. And here's how can you do it. First of all, download this JBL portable app on your device and open it. Wait till it will discover your product. Now, press this button in the middle of the screen and select your device. Great! Now take another speaker, in my case it will be JBL Clip 5. You need to connect it to the device as well by simply pressing this Bluetooth button. And when it will appear on the screen, just tap on it. And that's all. Now they are both connected to the device, to the app, and you can use them simultaneously. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.